My name is Rain Watson. I'm a welder fabricator at Willy Dog and Venture Food Trucks. I weld and custom manufacture parts for food trucks. Help assemble food carts. Also have my hand in the gas fitting for the propane lines of the trucks, minor electrical, plumbing, kind of all around fabricator on the trucks. One of the coolest aspects is just an average person. You can walk into a restaurant and you see how a restaurant operates. You go to a food truck and you're never inside the truck. You don't really get to see the inside operations of it. But here you understand not only how a food truck operates, but everything that goes into it. Like, you'd never assume that someone that just serves you a taco would have 8 months of fabrication go into a build, couple $100,000 truck, but it's pretty insane how much time and money goes into a build like this, and just like the respect for the craftsmanship that goes into it. And then the other thing that keeps me motivated to come to work every day is you're never doing the same thing twice. Everything's custom, everything's interesting. You're not just sitting at a bench as a production welder, fabricator. Your job's changing from day to day, from hour to hour. And I enjoy the environment and I enjoy the people I work with. One of the most unique projects we recently finished was a mobile food bank truck for the city of Halifax. But that's a pretty interesting concept, being able to bring groceries around to less fortunate neighborhoods or just like a community center or something like that. So personally, I found it a great place to work. I also had a friend of mine join the team and kind of sold him on the idea of it, just the experience. Like, it's not just a welding shop. We both went to school for welding and fabrication, but this is just the type of stuff you can't learn in school. It's all hands-on. You have to learn it on the job. Nobody can teach you this unless you're doing it. So just the vast opportunity to learn and to grow with a company like this, and the fact that it's local and it's a locally grown company, but it's established worldwide. You can kind of take pride in the products we produce. I would definitely recommend Venture Food Trucks as a workplace.